Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation The Legacy from the 20th to the 24th of July 2026 on Monday. Ntando, in a stupid attempt to prove his manhood, ends up wrecking Sebe's sculpture. G-Wagon become increasingly suspicious of Tao's constant presence around Lucy and confront Tao. Lulu believes and Kia assures her that nothing can spoil her day. They are both wrong. On Tuesday, Ntando finds himself constantly clashing with Sebe, and awkwardness has opened up between Lucy and G-Wagon following Lucy's revelation. Kia homecoming is spoiled when the kids go missing. Lulu and Kamo find themselves at the mercy of crazed Tiro on Wednesday. Lulama discovers Kamo knows about her betrayal. Kia and Kumu clash over Tiro's demand. Lucy gives G-Wagon a way out and is shocked at his decision. Osnowazi clashes with Sebe and is disappointed in Ntando's decision on Thursday. Kumo and Kia continue to clash over Kamo's fate. Tiro tortures his captives. Lucy makes a choice about her treatment. Ntando and G-Wagon bicker over his past and present. On Friday, Kumo is forced to ask an old viral or rival for help. Ntando and Fa Nyana have a very different reaction to Mamno Musa June 16th experience. Figile shocks them with a co-host for his podcast. Figile gets a terrible surprise and Gia is a pleasant one. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.